801, and our top story is the U.S. Supreme Court today hearing a homeless case about whether or not cities can punish people for being homeless.
So Bay Area cities are watching this pretty closely. Chronicles will trend live in San Francisco with the latest on this. Good morning, Will.
Some cities, Rena, they want to criminalize being homeless. One particular city, Grants Pass, Oregon, which is on the southern border. It's a town of 40,000 people. Think of it this way. A small pebble can start a tidal wave. San Francisco City Hall, Sacramento, Governor Newsom in Sacramento, of course, and major cities in California watching very closely. The arguments are happening right now. Here's what's at stake. Grants Pass, Oregon would like to criminalize being homeless and homeless encampments by slapping fines on homeless. What it means is they cannot stay on the streets, camp there. They have to move to other places. And if they don't, well, they will be served a fine. According to homeless advocates, they say that is unfair, cruel, and unusual punishment. And that was a decision that came down actually in San Francisco by the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals, saying they cannot do that. Grants Pass took this all the way to the Supreme Court, and they're hoping the justices will overturn that ruling, allowing Grants Pass to criminalize homeless. Why is this so important to San Francisco and California? Obviously, it is a problem that has been very evasive to Governor Newsom. He wants to know what's going to happen with this. They're actually rooting for Grants Pass to get the ruling, because if they get the ruling, that will allow cities across the country to start looking at their homeless problem. Particularly, let's talk about San Francisco. They would like to impose some of their homeless laws on homeless people in San Francisco to try to alleviate the situation, which is why this is so important to Governor Newsom as well as San Francisco. They are hearing the arguments, not exactly sure how many days. It could be just today. It could be days before this is wrapped up. And of course, it takes time for the justices to come back with a ruling. But again, major ramifications across the country that is struggling as a whole to deal with the homeless population, which has exploded from coast to coast. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Will. Yeah, around the Bay, people trying to figure